Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix OneNote sync error. Nothing ruins a productive note-taking session quite like OneNote deciding that today is the day it refuses to sync. If you're running into a sync error, the first thing I check is the simplest culprit, your internet connection and account sign-in. Inside OneNote, head to File, Info, View Sync Status, then select the affected notebook and click Sync Now to force a manual sync. I've seen plenty of cases where that alone gets everything moving again. If a specific page keeps throwing error, try creating a new page, copy the content over, and remove the problematic one. Sometimes a corrupted section acts like the one shopping cart wheel that refuses to roll straight no matter how hard you push it. It's all worth making sure OneNote is fully updated, since older versions can run into compatibility issues. With Microsoft's cloud services, if syncing still won't cooperate, check your OneDrive storage. A full OneDrive account can prevent notebooks from syncing properly until you free up space or upgrade your storage plan. As a final troubleshooting step, open Settings, and then Apps, Installed Apps, find OneNote, select Advanced Options, and run Repair. If that doesn't solve it, use Reset and sign back into your account afterward. One of those steps usually gets OneNote back to behaving like a notebook instead of a stubborn pig. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.